people like y'all. I ain't gotta go home to nobody. She was like, Miss Tracy be chopping it down, boy. She said, but I have to pay my mama $250 a month and pay half of the car now because we share a car. She was like, okay, but you're grown, right? You're gonna have to pay that regardless. Oh, even more. Miss Tracy said, rent ain't that cheap. She said, but I'm in school. She was trying to say everything. She said, that don't matter. You stay there. None of that girl said, Miss Tracy, you was a mean mama. I bet your children are glad they gone from your house. She said, that's right. She said, I used to whip some ass now. I'm like, I said, you wasn't that bad, huh, Miss Tracy? She said, no. She said, but I'll be there. She said, my son in Atlanta want me to come up there and see him. I gotta go up there and see him. I miss him.
She said we should even have breakfast for him.
Look, somebody got that first. She said, all right, that's a nice little desk.
Go get it, baby.
That's what I told Aaron. I said, look, they got that stuff sitting out there. I wonder if they call them people probably. I said, nah, it's a good time to sit there and stuff out there. We out there and see that. So when they get that.
When they come to pick that up, I'll run that. I'll push that.
But how you gonna know?
I am.
Where's it set it out?